Hello and welcome. I'm Jess Campmans, guided by Equus, and I'm here in the early morning of the week of December 28th. Just taking a breath. These guys are just quiet and peaceful, and I'm doing this because I'm actually going on a holiday this week, so I wanted to get this video out to you. But coming out here, Mahari's just yawning like crazy behind me. And there's kind of a sense of awakening, like resting obviously, but awakening and arising. And the word unveiling came to me early this morning. And Falcon's kind of standing here just holding space. And this unveiling this week is kind of transferring us from one year to the next. In a way that we have been transformed through. And an unveiling is like a dropping of the veils and a showing of something that is behind the veil or beyond. And so this week, the word exception is also coming, and it's like there are no exceptions and no holding back in this. And part of it is, I want to say, almost like a tribute to who we know ourselves to be. And this video is going to be short and sweet, I think, but I've got lots of yawns going on, and I know these guys were kind of laying down and some shaking off. And who's this? Bo. And I don't know if you guys can see, but Magic is just laid down and Stormy's right behind me. And there's just this, oh, hello, Mahina. There's just this subtle quality along with this idea of unveiling. So it's like a whole bunch of aspects are kind of coming into being this week. As our greater sense of us as connected to spirit kind of arises from within us. So much love, and I can't wait to share and connect with you guys in 2021 when it comes and we're back in this space of the horses next week. And just taking a deep breath and stretching and awakening and arising into what it is that brings us into the end of 2020. So much love from myself and the horses.